Introducing Victoria's original and largest deck and timber restoration and preservation company. Established in 2007, DeckSeal founders Brian and Danielle Burgess are now looking for franchise partners to share in their success. Using a robust business model, DeckSeal sources the best products and uses simple-to-follow methods that deliver outstanding results for their clients. DeckSeal franchisees benefit from limited competition, large territories, and a diverse client base that includes residential, commercial, and retail. Offering an affordable franchise in a sought-after service, full training will be provided in quoting, on-site training, and software use. Trading hours are Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m, or work your own hours, and you'll receive ongoing support in sales and brand marketing. No equipment is included in the sale. The franchisor will help you purchase equipment to ensure you receive DeckSeal pricing.